Okay, they say solve for x for each of the following. Okay, so we're given to this 2 sine open bracket x plus 10, which is going to be root 3. What are you solving for here? You're solving for x. Okay? Unlike this one here, whereby they were saying, which tell us what is going to be the tan of theta. Here you are going to tell us which one is going to be x. We want to know which one is this thing here. Okay, 4.3.1. Now on 4.3.1, what is the first thing that you'll do here, Sipo? We're going to divide both sides by 2. Okay? So we're going to have 2 sine x plus 10, which is going to be equal to root 3. You divide by 2 and then you divide by 2. It says which we have sine x plus 10, which is going to be equal to root 3 all over 2 again. Okay, we are not done. What is the next thing that you're going to do from here, Paul? So I'm going to get sine arc again. It says which x plus 10 degrees is going to be equal to the sine arc of root 3 all over 2 again. And then after that, it says which x plus 10 is going to give us the ref angle here. If you type this in your calculator, what do you get? 60. You get 60.
Yes.
So I'm going to say which 60 is going to be our ref angle. Agreement that we're in grade 11 now. We know which, if we get something like this, we're going to get a ref angle again. After that, we're going to come and check which way is sine going to be positive. Where is sine positive?
First and second quadrant.
It's going to be first and the second quadrant. Okay? So according to the first quadrant, we're going to say which x plus 10 is going to be given by 60 plus k multiplied by what? By 360. Yes. Yeah, solve for x. I agree, like if you solve for x, you are going to give us all the possible values of x. Listen, verse 10. In grade 10, we're only doing the first cycle. This question I took it from grade 10. Maratina, because we're in grade 11, we know those are not the only solutions that we have. Yeah, so now we're in grade 11, we're going to do it like grade 11. So we take this one to this other side, it says which x is going to be equal to 50, okay?
Yes.
Plus k multiplied by what? By 36. So this is a reminder, if they say to solve for x, yeah, but and then they don't say solve for x, and then they give you which x is an element from what to what, then you determine the general solution. That's another way in which they can ask the general solution in grade 11. I think they can say to Elena, determine the general solution. No? If they don't say determine the general solution, they say to Elena, solve for x. They don't say which solve for x starting from where up until where. So it means what they want all the possible values of x. So this is going to be possible value of x number 1. What else do we have? We're going to have second quadrant again. Okay, according to the second quadrant, we have x plus 10 again, which is going to be equal to 180 degrees minus 60.
Yes.
Plus k multiplied by what? By 36. And then it says which x is going to be equal to 110. Okay? So you have 110 plus k multiplied by what? By 306. Now, guys, let me repeat this again. If you're in grade 11, if you're in grade 10, I'm answer what you're going to get when you're going to get 50 and 1 and 110. Again, these answers are only for the first cycle. They are only for 0 to 360. But they didn't say solve for x between 0 and 360 here. So we want all the answers here. So when we say k multiplied by 360, we're giving you all the answers. And then we'll tell them which k is going to be an element of all the what the integers. So it's 1, it's 2. Next. You've heard it. 4.3.2. Okay, Spora, what do we do here? 4.3.2. What should we do here? Exposed. So we're going to have tan x, which is going to be equal to 3,45. Okay? And then it says which x is going to be equal to the tan arc of 3, 4, 5. What do you get as your x here? 73,84. Now, what is this? This is your ref angle. You are not done here. This is not going to be your only answer. We are going to say where is tan going to be positive? Where is tan positive? So according to the first quadrant, we accept this one again.
Yes.
So I'm going to say which x is going to be equal to 73,84 plus k multiplied by 108. I agree this is 10. The period of 10 is not 360, but is what? It's
108.
108. Okay, we take that one, accept that one for 10. Now this is first quadrant. Okay? Where else is this thing going to be positive? Third quadrant. Okay? X is going to be equal to 180 degrees plus 73,84 plus k multiplied by 108. Okay? What did you get as your answer?
253,
It's 253,84 plus k multiplied by what? By 108. You get 1 and then you get 2, and then you tell them which k is going to be an element of all integers. Yeah, it's an integer. Okay, it's an integer. It's from positive and what? And it's from negative to positive. Okay, let's go to the last one then. Paul, what will you do here? 4.3.3 here.
Suppose.
You take these 3 to this other side again, and then you're going to be left with 4 sec x, which is going to be equal to 8 again.
That's like 4.
You divide by 4, you divide by 4 again, and then you want x. What are you going to say? Reciprocal, yeah, sec. It's the reciprocal, of course. Again. Sec, yeah. So when what you are going to look for here, look at the following. You are not going to look for the cos arc, but you are going to look for 1 all over the cos arc of 8 all over 4. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
When you don't look for cos arc, but you're going to look for 1 all over. Okay, if you type this in your calculator, what did you get? 1 all over. Huh?
Yeah. That's it. Hi.
It says what? It says method. Okay, let's try it this way then. Let's try it this way. Let's check here. Again, we know. No, we're not going to forge it. Yeah. You look at the following. Again, we say we know what is sec. So we are going to say to them, okay, sec is going to be equal to 4. It's 8 all over 4. Okay, but now then we can then say, okay, but now what is sec? Sec can be written as 1 all over the cos of x, which is going to be equal. This is 2, and then you can cross multiply again here. If you cross multiply, it says which you are going to have the cos of x, which is going to be this one comes in, and then you have. So you have sec x, which is going to be 2. And then you say, okay, but now what is sec? Sec can be written as 1 all over the cos of x, which is going to be 2 again. And then we wanted to cross multiply. I agree there's a 1 here. This one multiplied by this one, it says which you are going to have 1, which is going to be 2 cos x. And then you divide by 2, it says cos x is going to be 1 all over 2. At least we've learned something which you can't do it there. So you need to do it here on the original one. And then from here you look for x. Okay? X is going to be given as the cos arc of 1 all over 2, which is 60. So this is going to be your ref again. And then after that, you are going to look for where sec or cos is positive. Okay? Where cos is positive and sec is also going to be positive. So here we're going to work on the first quadrant. On the first quadrant, we're going to say x is going to be equal to 60 plus k multiplied by 36 again. And then we also have the fourth quadrant, which is IV again. According to the IV, we're going to say 360 degrees minus 60 plus k multiplied by what? By 36. And then it says which we are going to have 300 plus k multiplied by what? By 36. Where k is an element of all the what? The integers. Okay, for this one here, you see which is 4 marks. Okay? So we're going to give you 1 mark for giving us what is going to be the cos of 1 all over 2, ref angle 1, 2. And then let's give Paul a round of applause.